Hi everyone, welcome to CWM Capital Trading, where we learn, analyze and master the markets. So today we are going to analyze and break down on gold. So we can see clearly that price has been bullish since January 2026. It has been creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Then we reach at this level, this low. We broke structure, we had a change of character, and at the moment price is just trying to rebalance these levels. So I'm going to label this zone so that we can be on the same page. So we had a break of structure there, another break of structure around here, and we had our all-time highs on gold. Then we had a massive change of character with displacement, very important. Displacement is very important, telling us the sellers are in control and buyers are losing momentum. So what I normally do, this is what I do. I draw my fib level from the highest point to the lowest point. Now price is retracing, and at the moment it's at this zone where we can see that the price is stalling, has been stalling almost since Monday. It has been stalling on this zone, and you don't want to be caught up in a consolidating market, guys. In trading, you really have to be patient. You have to have mastered the art of sitting and waiting to see what the market is doing. So I've marked this zone because price is stalling around here and it's respecting our 50% equilibrium level on the fib. Also, we can see that we have our OB over here, our order block on the 4-hour time frame. And also we can see we have this FVG over here. It's quite small, hope you can see it. That's our 4-hour fair value gap. As you all know, we have to start from the higher time frame. As we do our top-down analysis, we start from the 4-hour, go to the 1-hour. Our execution is on the 15 minutes. So we drop down to the 1-hour, and guys, I hope you have heard that there's a potential return of Russia to the USD, and this could impact our precious metal like gold and silver. And I love trading gold, so this could impact gold and silver prices in a big way. First, as we all know that gold and silvers are often used as hedges against geopolitical instability. So this means that the US dollar is going to strengthen and the precious metals are going to dip. So keep that in mind. I hope by next week we're going to have a dip to these levels, to these lows. So I'm just going to label these zones over here so that we can understand what is happening. So we have this break of structure, and then we have this change of character over here, change of character, and all these are internal break of structure and change of characters because they're happening on a 1-hour time frame. We can see there we had a break of structure again, and since Monday price has been in a consolidation. You don't want to find yourself in such a market, guys. This is where you sit, do something else other than trading if you trade gold. So we had a change of character there, and we can see here we have our OB, the last candle that was created before the impulsive move. That's our 1-hour OB, and then we have this fair value gap over here. this fair value gap, we're just going to label it as a 1 hour FVG. So price might, these are the probabilities that might happen. Price might come here on this 4 hour OB or the FVG, or it can just continue going down from this level because it has been stalling for some time. And we do not predict the market. What we do, we trade with probabilities. So we can get up an opportunity of selling from this zone over here, put a stop loss there. So our first TP might be here. First TP over there, second TP over here. So, and you can see price is reacting off this FVG, but I would honestly want to see it come to 50% equilibrium level on this FVG. But it's just, today's on a Friday, so the market is quite not volatile, but that's a plan. 1:5 risk to reward, that's a good thing. And if it goes to our second TP, that is 1:8. Absolutely amazing. So that's it for today. And if you want more clean breakdowns like this, subscribe, like this, and let's master the market the right way. So thank you guys and have a good day.